Hold your punch needle so that the open part of the needle always faces the direction you're punching. Insert the needle all the way through until the barrel touches the cloth. Now flip your hoop over, gently pull the loose thread and let it hang. Turn the hoop back and slide the needle to the next spot. Don't lift the needle too high or your stitches will come out. Keep your punches about 3 holes apart for a neat and consistent finish. As you move forward, always make sure the open part of your needle faces the direction you're punching. When you reach the end of a row, turn your hoop or needle so that you're again punching in the correct direction. If you make a mistake, don't worry, it's super easy to fix. Simply lift the needle and gently pull out the loops you want to remove. Be careful to lift slowly so only the stitches you intend to remove come out. Once done, wrap the cloth from behind using your fingertip or the tip of your needle to close up the tiny holes. This helps repair the fabric and make it look smooth again. For the next row, punch in a staggered pattern, just like laying bricks on a wall, to fill any gaps evenly. And if you notice empty spaces later, don't worry, you can always fill them at the end. You don't need to tie any knots. The tension of the fabric and the punch needle loops will hold everything securely in place. When you're ready to end a section, insert the needle all the way through the cloth and flip your hoop over. Pull the yarn gently as shown and cut it at the center. Then turn your hoop back and carefully pull the needle out. We'll trim all the loose yarn ends once the entire piece is complete. You can now start a new section using the same color or rethread your needle with a new one and continue. When you reach an area that's already been punched, placing the hoop around it can feel a bit tricky. Simply loosen the hoop slightly and adjust it gently over the stitch section. Your first punch can feel a little tricky, but hang in there. With a bit of practice, you'll be a pro in no time.